Tesla celebrates 9 million vehicles produced globally. Tesla has achieved a new milestone, rolling out its 9 millionth vehicle worldwide from Giga Shanghai. The achievement, announced by Tesla Asia on X, celebrated not just the Shanghai team's output, but the company's cumulative production across all its factories worldwide. The milestone came as 2025 drew to a close, and it inspired praise from some of the company's key executives. Tesla's 9 million vehicle milestone. The commemorative photo from Tesla Asia featured the Giga Shanghai team assembled on the factory floor, surrounding the milestone Model Y unit, which looked pristine in white. The image was captioned, "Our 9 millionth vehicle globally has just rolled off the production line at Giga Shanghai, thanks to our owners and supporters around the world." Senior Vice President of Automotive Tom Zhu praised Tesla's factory teams for the remarkable milestone. He also shared his gratitude to Tesla owners for their support. "Congrats to all Tesla factories for this amazing milestone. Thanks to our owners for your continued support," Zhu wrote in a post on X. "Our 9 millionth vehicle globally has just rolled off the production line at Giga Shanghai, thanks to our owners and supporters around the world. Congrats to all Tesla factories for this amazing milestone. Thanks to our owners for your continued support." Giga Shanghai's legacy. Tesla's 9 million vehicle milestone is especially impressive, considering that just 207 days ago, the company announced that it had built its 8 millionth car globally. The 8 millionth Tesla, a red Model Y, was built in Giga Berlin. The fact that Tesla was able to build 1 million cars in less than 7 months is quite an accomplishment. Giga Shanghai, Tesla's largest factory by volume, has been instrumental to the company's overall operations, having reached 4 million cumulative vehicles earlier in 2025. The plant produces Model 3 and Model Y for both domestic Chinese and export markets, making it the company's primary vehicle export hub. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.